I'm enjoying the the Bhushan Janata Party's fear and the rattling
can this
that I'm
man
seeing
keep
on live
quiet?
TV. This ये डर बहुत अच्छा है. Everybody is enjoying this डर. You
Okay,
please continue.
fine.
We are loving it.
Okay, are you done? Thank you. Thank you,
Okay,
Akshay. You've had
okay,
your
Akshay,
turn.
Sanju's
Now let
respond.
me speak. Okay. Since Riju started with some Hindi की पंक्तियां, I have to do my bit as well. एक कहावत है, यहाँ तहजीब भी बिकती है, यहाँ अरमान भी बिकते हैं. यहाँ तहजीब भी बिकती है, यहाँ अरमान भी बिकते हैं. तुम अपना दाम तो बोलो, तुम अपना दाम तो बोलो, यहाँ ईमान भी बिकते हैं. तुम अपना दाम तो बोलो, यहाँ ईमान भी बिकते हैं. एंड आई डोंट नीड टू स्पेसिफाई यहाँ पर ईमान कौन बेच चुका है. ये जो 26 disparate parties have come together, they have nothing in common. I did not interrupt anyone. All of this is not done. Let me finish. I did not interrupt you, Riju.
Yeah, we have a great debate. No.
Now imagine that Arnab Goswami changes his name to Rajdeep Goswami or to Rahul Goswami, or for that matter, Rahul Gandhi changes his name to Rahul Goswami.
Both are equally worrying.
Will the DNA of Arnab Goswami change? I think Arnab Goswami, even if he becomes Arindam Goswami, will continue to call out the bluff of Robert Vadra and Vadra Congress. Now my second point. Yes, names are important. But when you say I.N.D.I.A, I will just take 60 seconds. You
got the spelling of India wrong. It is
I.N.D.I.A. Akshay, please keep quiet. I did not heckle you, please. Don't try to be a smart aleck.
You spelled India wrong. I was just correcting your spelling. That's all.
Yes, I was talking about your ex-colleague from Aam Aadmi Party, Ashutosh, who pronounced it as Idnia. Thank you. I hope you also corrected Ashutosh. I wanted to remind you, this is what your sympathizers pronounce India as, Idnia. Now let me come to my moot point. Glad you noticed it, and I hope you trolled Ashutosh for that. He was your karta dharta of Aam Aadmi Party at one point of time. Now, what is they say? Indian. Yeah, India. What is so Indian about a party where the key high command, Sonia Gandhi, in 2008, after the Batla House encounter, did not shed copious tears for the martyr Mohan Chand Sharma, but shed copious tears for the Indian Mujahideen militants? What is so Indian about this disparate function which allowed the PFI, Popular Front of India, in 2021 to conduct a unity march in Rajasthan? Now, what is so nationalist about a party which actually filed an affidavit in the courts to ensure that it was never known to Indian public that Ishrat Jahan is a LEP operative? What is so nationalist about a party whose high command got married in 1968 but took Indian citizenship in 1983? Yes, you've guessed it right. I'm talking about Sonia Gandhi. What is so nationalist about a party whose one jaded leader says, "Inko hatao, hame lekar aao"? After that, he's jobless. I'm talking about Manishankar Iyer. What is so Indian about a party which says, after the Pulwama attack, this was orchestrated? What is so Indian about a party which says that the surgical strike of 2016 by the Modi government was nothing but khoon ki dalali? And now let us talk about the D. The D is developmental. Yeah, developmental. अरे भाई साहब, 2014 से पहले 9 out of 10 women in rural India did not have a LPG connection. 9 out of 10 villages did not have a pakka sadak. 9 out of 10 people in rural India did not have access to clean drinking water. 9 out of 10 people did not have
we need to get everybody on the debate.
Women in Amethi did not go to school and colleges because there was no proper toilet in Amethi.
Sanju, by the time you complete...
Now my last point. Inclusive. Who are the people who are giving a bhashan on inclusivity to Narendra Modi? The same party which says Jalpaiguri mein kuch hua hi nahi. 1984 anti-Sikh riot, Sam Pitroda says hua to hua. Shashi Panja, when asked about BJP karyakarta being paraded naked in Malda and Howrah, says ab kapde nikal gaye to nikal gaye bhai. क्या कर सकते हैं? कपड़े निकल गए तो निकल गए. This is their inclusivity. Now the last big A, alliance. An alliance happens when people have a common goal, a common agenda.
I will give fair time after this. Let her complete.
There is only a common enemy. There is only a common enemy. And
is the Sanju Verma
Okay,
show?
Sanju, now,
Is it being
no,
telecasted
one
on
minute.
BJP party
No,
office?
allow me to, no, one minute. I agree. This has been a very long intervention, even by Sanju's standards.